Hello. I'm excited for you to be using the MUSE meditation headband. Let's see. Um, there are many generations of this that have been developed since I got this, but the technology for what we want it to do is still really good. So how this works is on the inside, there's a button and you can turn it on and you can see a light. It's kind of got a retractable forehead piece, and I just pull it out on both sides, and I take some water and I put it on these forehead sensors and on the sensors behind the ears, like right along here. It's a little bit of rubber, and then I put the um, the sensors for the back of the ears there, and then I pull the forehead piece back and just get it settled in nicely. And on your phone or your iPad, you can get the MUSE app, which looks like it just says MUSE on it. Sorry, too much reflection. And it will give you, let's see if I can, it will give you an output like this. So it'll tell you the time you started, the time you finished. 25 minutes was my time duration. And sorry, I have so much glare on here. It will show you the amount of time you spent in the different brainwave frequencies, how to get, and then you can choose to save it or not. So when you download the app, I just go directly to this piece that says biofeedback soundscapes. And I like to get the biofeedback from my mind. And then you can choose rainforest, beach, desert, city park, ambient music, campfire, gentle rain, a river, an ocean, or birds or seagulls. And the way I have it set up is with the rainforest, it sounds like it's raining if my brain waves are super busy. And if I'm more calm, it's quite quiet. It's like a stream of water just bubbling. And when I get into a very calm state, which is what we're looking for, I'll hear birds chirping. And so it will also count how many birds you had and how many recoveries. So if you go chasing the birds, or if you get caught in a rainstorm, and then you follow your breath back into getting some bird sounds, that counts as a recovery. So if people are out of practice or they haven't done it for a while, it usually takes a few days. So be patient. It's more important to practice frequently than for a long duration of time. So it's better to do 2 minutes, 5 minutes each day or every second day rather than try to do 20 or 40 minutes on a Saturday kind of thing. I don't know what else I can tell you, but for sure, message me if you have any questions. When you finish with it, you just press this button and it shuts off. I put it back in the case. I put a recharging cord for you, and I hope you enjoy, because it absolutely is the fastest way to manifest things, to bring up your intuition and your creativity, and to regulate your nervous system. It's something I'm passionate about because I haven't had results like this for me and for my clients with anything else. Like comparatively, it's so powerful. So I hope you enjoy it. And this is on its way to you. Okay, bye.